Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. I haven't got a project in front of me. If you saw my video on Monday, you saw me make this card. I made this card using the, I've forgotten what it's called already, Iconic Celebrations Designer Series paper, which is part of our online exclusives. So they are only available while they're available. When they're gone, they're gone. And they just launched last Wednesday the 3rd. And as I was flicking through the paper to show everybody on Monday, and I will literally very quickly flick through it again, I was kind of taken by the pink papers because I thought they were fabulous. And where's another pink one? There we go. Let me get the reverse side of that as well. Many years ago, before I joined Stampin' Up, I used to make cards and bags and boxes for craft fairs, which I would sell. And one particular year, I did everything, all my Christmas stuff in pinks and purples, and they sold like hotcakes, because that's a phrase we use, sold like hotcakes. So I was inspired by the pinks to make something festive again. So we have got champagne flutes on one side, and then we've got hearts on the other side. I'm not going to use those. We have this one, which is like little bits of confetti and stars, which I'm tempted to use this one. And then we've got this one, which is the pink Christmas trees with snowflakes on the back. But I'm going to use this, and I'm going to make a box, which I don't have any measurements for. It's just in my head. I have made it before, so I'm hoping that I can get the measurements right. Okay, if you work in metric, you are going to need to cut your paper down to 15 by 15 centimetres because we need to be able to divide this in thirds. If you work in imperial, you're good to go with 6 by 6 paper. So score it at 2 and 4, which again, if you're in metric, you're taking yours down to 15 centimetres and scoring at 5 and 10. And then the same, 2 and 4, so 5 and 10. And then, does this pull together now? Then we put the score tool down because we're not doing anything else with that. We're going to use a steel ruler. If I can find it. I tidied up my desk the other day. It was very organised of me, wasn't it? Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a score line from here. Can you see it? Oh, you can probably see it better. Here, where it crosses there to the corner. And I'm going to do that all the way around. I'm going to have to do it this way around because I can't see anything. Like I say, I've made this before. I just don't remember. I don't know where the instructions are for it, so I'm working exclusively from memory. Okay. So, first things first, burnish up your straight score lines. So not those ones we've just put in with the ruler. Okay, and so what we want this box to do is be the right way round. How do we do this? Okay, got it. Okay. So pull your corners in, so fold it up, and you're pushing those so they're going inside for now. Okay, and then we're actually going to push them out. Let's push them in and then push them out. And then that just gives them a little bit more, I don't know what the word is, leverage? Leverage? I don't know. But they're going to sit on the outside, but I want to find a way so my Christmas trees are the right way up. And those are upside down. So we've got one the right way up there. Okay. So this side, they're the correct way up there and there. Right. So fingers and thumbs here because I can't remember how it pulls together. Why is my brain mushed today? It should pull together like that. Why does it not want to play the game? It does. Okay, we're good. We're good. You just have to bend it. I've lost my front and back again now. Where's my front gone? There it is. So we're just pushing. Okay. I've lost the front and back again. Why does that keep going places? It's ridiculous, isn't it? I want my trees the right way up. Okay. Oh no, it's there. It's like that. The world's most ridiculous video brought to you by Pootles.co.uk. There we go. I've got it. I've got hold of it now. I just had loose fingers and thumbs. I have never made this before. What I was aiming for does not look at all like this. I wanted it to pull together just in the middle and the bits to pop out, but it's not. Yeah, I have never made that before. So we've got lots of concertinaed layers. Bring it a bit closer for you. And herein lies the reason why I'm enjoying doing the winging it videos. So my fronts are coming over and that's just pinched. So this is the centre part. If I open it all up again, I'll probably drop it. That's the bit that's pushing into the middle. Okay, so my tree's the right way up. Very important that your trees are the right way up. Okay, right. Oh, no, I've never made that before. Oh, that's really cool though. It wasn't at all what I had in my head. Okay, I need to bind this with ribbon because I don't think it's going to stay otherwise. So this is also in our new online exclusives. This is frayed grosgrain ribbon. I always want to call that grosgrain, but it's not, it's grosgrain. And I'm just really, to keep it in shape and keep it together, I'm going to go over twice. And that's nowhere near enough to tie a bow, but I've already butchered this video anyway. This is what it's like to craft in my head. You see one thing and something else completely different comes out. And now my ribbon's upside down. Oh, for goodness sake. I don't know how to get the bow the right way up now. Oh, it's just going to have to be all over the place. It's sideways. Does anybody know how I did a sideways bow? Because that's impressive. That's what you're aiming for. Let me trim those bits off. And then I was going to put some decoration on it, but I'm not completely sure I've actually now got any room. But if you were to do so, you could bring in the iconic imagery and you could stamp out some matching Christmas trees and then you could die cut them and attach them. I probably could do that, but where I'd fit them, I don't know. But that's actually quite a lot of fun. That is a cute little box. Shall we have another go and see if I can make it again, knowing what I'm doing this time around? Shall we just do that? Shall we do that in this pink too? So basically divide your piece of paper into thirds. That's all you need to do. So you could arguably make this bigger, maybe a little less fumbly fingers. But you know, let's see if the magic happens a second time, because I really do like the finished effect of that. Right. And I didn't start, I should have started timing, shouldn't I? So we'll call that 8 minutes 40 seconds to start. And then we want those ones in first. Oops. Well, at least this time I won't have to worry about whether my Christmas tree is the right way up or not. Dropsy over there. Okay, so they're in and then they're out. And actually I'm going to say, because there aren't any, I don't have to worry about whether my Christmas trees are the right way up or not. I can now take one of these squares and just pinch it at the top. Oh, blimey, dazzled by confetti on the inside. and then just do one on the opposite side. So this, yeah. Okay. Well, that was definitely a lot quicker. Oh, that was until it sprung out of my hands. Oops. I need those bits on the inside. Yeah. Oh, 2 minutes that took to make. Okay, shall I wrap it in ribbon? Just keep dropping it. Oh, for goodness sake. And this is why we need the ribbon. See if I can tie a better bow this time around. Those are very sharp scissors. They must be new. It's taken me longer to tie the bow than it is anything else. Arguably a better bow as well. So, in less than 3 minutes, including a questionable bow. That's cute. Oh, I'm pleased I remade it. I'm pleased I remade it. Yeah, definitely, definitely. Not, like I say, I really don't think I've ever made that before. I'm going to have to go and try and find the video of what I made before, but no, I couldn't find it before because I couldn't remember what I'd called it. But those I love. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. I'm really enjoying doing the winging it. I hope you do too. Take care, everybody. Bye.